So today I'm asking you to consider, what sound are you listening to the most? You can stop and just relax from what you're doing and just listen now to what you hear. Beyond the sound of my voice, what's in your vicinity? Is there a background sound? Is there something that's coming through your mind? Whatever it is you're listening to, the most important thing is to become aware of it. If it's mind chatter, if it's a to-do list of things that you need to get done, if it's worries or concerns about what you'll do with yourself the rest of the day, just bring yourself into this moment and allow yourself to listen to something a little bit deeper than that. Let your breath come in and out. As you continue to take in sound. And just be aware that you choose the sounds that you listen to. Hearing is an inactive experience, it's a passive experience. But listening implies that you are taking action and choosing what you hear. I invite you to listen, really listen, to the deepest voice within you, the one that is infinitely wise, the one that is compassionate and loving, the one that is full of spontaneity and joy. This is your guide, and this is the voice that is calling to you now.